What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you Firebase Studio versus Replit comparison. Which one is better? So you might be comparing these two platforms here, Replit and Fire Studio. Well, there are a few things here that you may want to know. So first is, let's go ahead and discuss Replit. So in this case, imagine opening a browser tab and instantly having like full coding environment ready. So no installs, no config, that's Replit. Now it supports over 50 programming languages, even adds AI features like Ghostwriter, which can suggest code, help debug, or even build functions based on your natural language prompts. Now in this case, there are multiple reasons why you love Replit here. So first is there's zero setup. So just open your project and start coding. And also there's real-time collaboration, so you can work alongside classmates or teammates as if you're sharing a Google Doc here. And also there's versatility here, so perfect for learning, prototyping, and prototyping small projects or multi-language experiments. And there's also an AI assistant here, so in this case smart autocomplete and in-editor fixes, and you still control every line here. So if you're teaching, learning, or just spinning up a quick prototype in any language, when Replit feels like a breeze. Now, what about Fire Studio here? Firebase Studio. Now, if your aim is to build a full web or mobile app and you're already using Firebase for your backend, Firebase Studio is designed just for that. It's a Google Cloud tool that leverages AI, things like Gemini, to let you describe your app in plain English. Now, in this case, generates a front end and back end code for you, debugging, even like deploy all from a single browser interface. Now, why would you choose it? So first is deep Firebase integration. So in this case, authentication, Firestore, functions, hosting, and more, all wired in seamlessly in here. Also, they have natural language prototyping, so you can describe features and the AI builds them for you. And there's an end-to-end workflow. Now from mockups to production, no need to switch tools here. And also there's rapid iterations here, so debug and redeploy with AI guided insights here. So if you're a startup or a team that wants to move from idea to development in hours, not days, within the Google ecosystem, then Firebase Studio is the ticket here. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.